a letter.
What is it?
A letter.
From who?
Grandpa Bill.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, let's open it.
Okay. Hold on for a moment. There.
You needed a prop?
Yes.
Careful with those scissors, buddy. Oh! What is it? What does the card say?
Grandson. Can you solve this mystery? Clues. Smart, handsome, funny, clever, amazing. And what? Good. Way to figure it out. Grandson. Happy birthday. Wait. Oh, it's a mirror. See? See?
Aww. Oh, that's cool.
A mirror.
Nice.
And there's $100 bill.
Woohoo!
One of these clear ones. See? You can see right through it.
So what are you going to do with it?
Exchange it in the bank.
And then what? Are we going to save it?
Yes.
No, you're not. You're going to spend it. On?
Stuff. Angry Birds!
That's right.
Angry Birds! Go Angry Birds!